Okay, imagine this: a massive federal raid at Hyundai's Metaplant complex in Georgia has just led to the arrest of 475 people. Yes, you heard that right. This is a game changer for the automotive industry, and it might just shake up international relations. So, what exactly went down? Let's dive in. Just announced, U.S. officials, in a controversial move, raided the Hyundai construction site for alleged immigration violations. This could change everything for Hyundai and its joint venture with LG Energy Solution. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this raid is making headlines worldwide. And wait until you hear what this means for the future of Hyundai's electric vehicles. Now, here's the core revelation: the HLGA battery company, where the arrests took place, is crucial for Hyundai's EV lineup, supplying batteries for the highly anticipated Ioniq 5 and Ioniq 9 SUVs. But here's where things get really interesting: most of the arrestees are Korean nationals, sparking diplomatic tensions between the US and South Korea. This is part of President Donald Trump's controversial crackdown on unlawful immigration, and it's the largest raid in Department of Homeland Security history. But let's put this in context. Hyundai's Metaplant and its suppliers represent the largest economic development in Georgia's history, valued at $7.6 billion. The plant was set to bring thousands of jobs, and now, with construction paused, the stakes are incredibly high. This raid could delay the plant's opening, initially slated for late this year or early 2026. Now, here's the part that's got everyone talking: what does this mean for Hyundai's ambitious plans to invest $26 billion in the US? Looking at the bigger picture, this operation underscores a significant moment in the automotive world. With the EV transition gaining momentum, any disruption to battery supply chains can have ripple effects. Hyundai's investment in the US was seen as a bold move to strengthen ties and boost local economies. Yet, this incident highlights the complex dance between global business and national policies. Could this lead to a shift in Hyundai's strategy or even alter international trade relations? So, what do you think? Does this raid set a precedent for how companies navigate the intricate web of global operations and local laws? Drop a comment telling me which specific detail impressed you most. And don't forget to hit subscribe, because next week I'm breaking down what this means for the future of electric vehicles and international business.